Hi everyone, so Tammy is here and myself is Zulekha Zulu. So why we are making this video? Because this is very special information we're gonna give and happiness to share. 1.5 years or 1 year before, Tammy came to me and while I was checking her hair, usually the scalp and the hair condition, I realized there was a big patch and she told me that this patch is like suddenly came from nowhere and she was worried and that time I prescribed her some tonic and serum and some treatment, usual treatment we have given. One more thing I recommend her, which is our hair growth formula. So this wellness and hair growth formula was given to her about a year ago. So she was taking it and I checked her scalp for checking the dandruff and what's going on. We realized that there is no patch. And it's very special moments for me because any feedback, you know how I take care of the feedback. So this was a very happy moment for me and we are here to talk about it. So Tammy, you are very happy to see those patches are filled.
Yeah.
The gap is no more. Yeah. So the patch was looking like before and how it is now. So that's a very good improvement and must say that she has tried and tested it. So say some words in your language so people will connect from you. Nelson Mandela has said that when we say in our own language, the talk goes to the heart. So say something in Tamil so let people know.
கண்டிப்பா இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணோம். இதில் நிறைய நியூட்ரிஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ எனக்கு இது ஒர்க் பண்ணிருக்கு. அந்த பேச்சஸ் கம்ப்ளீட்டாக இப்போ இல்லை. ஸோ ஹேர் க்ரோத் நல்லா இருக்கு. ஸோ இதை நீங்கள் ட்ரை பண்ணலாம். இட்ஸ் வெரி நேச்சுரல் அண்ட் இட்ஸ் குட் ஃபார் யூ.
It's like a food, no?
Yeah, it's like food. நீங்க தினமும் சாப்பிடுற மாதிரி இது ஒரு ஃபுட் மாதிரி எடுத்தீங்கன்னா you will feel the difference.
How about you were sharing the front line?
Yeah, because I was literally balding the front.
And who tell you that?
My colleagues actually, because they see me every day, so they feedback that now I have better.
It's filling up. Right?
Yeah, hair growth in the
Yeah,
front.
because
also.
we see ourselves in a mirror daily basis,
Yeah.
so we don't realize much. But afterward, when somebody say it makes us feel.
Yeah, because I guess we are all stressed, work. The environment is such, we live in a stressful
so
environment.
beside this miracle and amazing food product, how about our regular color and the serum, tonic, mask? How
I think
are
it's
you
all-
feeling about them?
It's all together because I use the tonic, the serum.
Because you are our loyal customer since many years, you are
Yes.
coming to us and you are
Yeah.
one of the best model of our Google, you know, the million views on her picture.
Yeah.
So I'm very happy that things are working and same thing goes to me. It's working for my house also. So home is not a place, it's a feeling. That's what Zulu is all about. So thank you so much, Tammy, to connect with us and
Thank you, Zulu.
recommendations.